Assalamialaikum. Welcome to Learn English with Sadekur Rahman. How have you been? Hope you are well by the grace of Allah. Today I am going to share my own experience and my own thinking why we can't speak English. At first, when someone asks us that speak in English or speak in front of some people in English, at that time our legs start quivering, and this is definitely happened with myself. And at that time we start babbling, we can't speak in English, and we have a fear to talk in front of people. We have a shyness, and especially we have a fear we can't speak anything in front of people. So why this happen? This is the most important reason we can't speak English. So if we want to overcome from our fear, from our shyness, then we have to practice speaking English. Without practicing spoken English, we can't improve our listening skills. If we do not overcome from our fear, then never and ever we can't speak in English. So how can we overcome from our fear? So if you want to overcome your fear, then you have to practice, you have to speak. Without speaking, there is no another exceptional way then you can improve your speaking skills. Before improving your speaking skills, you have to improve your listening skills. Without improving listening skills, you can't speak fluently, because your head will translate from your native language, and that will be barrier for you fluently speaking English. So at first you have to listen. If you improve your listening skills, then your brain will catch English sentence and he will automatically produce English sentence. By improving your listening skills, you can train your brain to think in English, to make sentence in English, to behave like an English. So this is the process. If you follow this process, then it will be easier for you to speak in English. Even if you know a lot of grammatical item, and if you know grammatical rules, if you know the vocabulary, but you can't speak, there is the main reason is you can't think in English. And if you can think in English, then it will be more easier for you to speak in English. There is an example. When we were a child, we couldn't speak in our native language, that means Bengali language. We can't speak, we didn't talk like a Bengali native speaker, we can't speak anything. So how we improve ourselves? At first we have heard from our parents, from our brothers, sister, from our environment, from our families. We have always listened the voice and captured the sound. By improving listening skills day by day, when we pass 1 or half years, at that time we have started to talk, and it will be little bit without. And this is the process we can learn a new language, and everybody learn the language. So if you want to learn English language, then you have to listen. Without listening, it will not be easiest for you, it will not be comfortable for you. So if you improve your listening skills, then it will be more easy for you to speak fluently in front of people. So start thinking and start listening. And another topic is thinking. Thinking is most important. If you think English, then it will come from your mouth in English. So if you translate in your head, then it will be lately processed, and it is the restricted, and it's our think ever. So you should think English and you should produce in English. Now come to the point, how can you think and how can you improve your listening skills? You have to watch English movies, English drama serials, or you can hear the English Islamic lecture. That's very helpful. This is the most helpful things to improve your listening skills, English listening skills also, and your Islamic knowledge. Or you can hear the radios. This is the most important thing. Or you can watch the English vlogs, that should help you a lot. So by doing this type of things, you can improve listening skills, and at the same time you should think in English. If you think in English, suppose you are in your study room, suppose I am now making videos, so I should think in English and silently that I am making video with my mobile phone and I am trying to improve my speaking skills, blah blah blah. So this type of thinking you should think when you are doing any kinds of work. Suppose you are traveling, at this time you should think about your traveling. You are watching outside the window about the scenery, you should make sentences about the scenery. Suppose you are crossing a beautiful park, so at that time you can make sentence in your head that, oh, this is beautiful park and it's very enjoyable. If this park was near my home, then I will come every day this park and I will enjoy and I will pass time in this park. So this is the process. You can make sentence in your head, or you can train your head, you can train your brain, you can practice your brain how to think sentence, and automatically it will come to your mouth. It will be very easier for you than to speak English. So at first you have to improve your listening skill, then you have to think in English. These two steps, if you follow, if you practice these two particular topic, then one day, inshallah, very soon, within 1 or 2 months, you can speak English. And definitely you should talk yourself. Without talking yourself, you can't improve yourself. You should talk in front of mirror, you should talk whoever your nearest person, you should talk your friends who will not laugh at you. And this is the another fear of things all of our, that if I speak in English, then what if my friends, my colleague, my partners, my teachers or my classmates laugh at me? This is the fear. We have to overcome from fear, we have to overcome from this shyness. If we can overcome from this shyness, then it will be helpful for us and it will be very easy. It will be very easy to fluent in English. So you have to find out a specific partner, a particular best partner who will not make laugh at you and who will cooperate with you. If you make mistake, if you make any kind of mistake, then he will correct you or he will not laugh at you. So and if you didn't find any kind of partner, any kind of friend, any kind of colleague who will cooperate to improve speaking English, just forget it. You should talk yourself. This is the best way, and you are the best friend of yours, so you can speak to yourself, or you can speak in front of mirror. This is the process. If you follow this type of process, then it will be very helpful for your spoken English. So friends, this is for today. This is another most of things I miss, that we have learned a lot of years. We have learned more than 5, 6 or 10 years English, but we can't speak in English because we think English as a subject. We have to pass this subject and we have to get more and more marks this subject. We have to learn grammatical item, we have to learn vocabulary, we have to learn tense, article, preposition, blah blah blah, but we didn't think English as a language. If we had think before, then it will be now very easier for us to speak in English. So we have to love English. We have to think English as an English language, not as an English subject, not as a textbook. So friends, think in English, listen English, and start practice English to yourself if you do not find any kind of partner. So friends, love English and it will be very helpful for you. This is for today. And if you like my video and if you have any suggestion for me, then how can I improve my speaking skills, then you can tell me in the comment box, and I am waiting for your valuable comment. And I am a learner, I am just learning how to speak English, how to learn English, how to love English. So pray for me. This is for today. See you in my next video. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.